Hey guys, I want to talk about communicating staffing issues that I've recently had to deal with. So I'll show the email that I had sent to our clinical director, Angie. It said we knew that reviews were coming up. Me and some other staff were having some issues, and we understood that taking on a new position could be a time of adjustment and it takes a while. But it had been a while and we just weren't seeing any improvement. We had talked to the coworker multiple times and it just wasn't helping at all. Um, we saw that there was no performing of basic work routines, wouldn't do basic things. It was kind of messing up our flow and it was just causing a lot of problems. And we did try to say in the collective email that she was a wonderful person, and but we wanted to see if there's any kind of type of solutions that we could do so we didn't have to let her go because right now staffing is so short. Um, we just also try to say that, like we needed to stand up for what we needed to do. Like it helps our patients, providers, and business office. And how could we do a long term goal and how could we reach that in that resolution? So I think I really stated my short term goals by bringing attention to the staffing issue and trying to encourage better behavior until a solution can be reached. And that's why we wanted to do a mediation, see if there was any way we could look for a new solution. And kind of the long-term goals was finding a replacement, and the biggest long-term goal there was bringing our operations back up to standard. Like I said, it helps with the patients, providers, and business offices when they have to bill, as well as charging for procedures that have to be done. Um, and by maintaining the expressive order, what I try to do, I did try to put the person in a positive light and ask if there was any solutions besides letting the person go, because I believe everybody can have multiple chances. I don't want to just fire somebody because I feel like they weren't doing a good job when there can be room for improvement. But the ways I could improve with this email, I could have left out the name. I could also set up a meeting with both the director and HR. It's kind of hard though because with our directors, they're always out in meetings, they're always on the phone, so it's kind of easier sometimes to email them about certain issues and they can get back to you later. I think I could have made my long term goal a lot more clear and presented it at the beginning of the email. I should have done that first instead of putting it there at the bottom. It just made things a little bit more clear. And thank you for listening.